This 26-year-old makes over $1.6 million profit in 1 month and is not selling courses, crypto or dropshipping dreams. Yeah, while you are calculating if you can afford the extra guac at Chipotle, Alex is casually making more in 30 days than most people see in their entire lifetime. But here's the crazy part. This isn't some fake guru flexing rented Lambos. This is real money, real business, and a guy who figured out the game when he was just 15 years old. So how does a 26-year-old living in Dubai put in $1.6 million in profit in a single month? And why is his story completely different from every other young millionaire you've seen on YouTube? Well, meet Alex, a 26-year-old multi-millionaire living in one of Dubai's most expensive buildings. We are talking $2.2 million apartments with views that makes your screensaver look tragic. Living in Dubai as a young millionaire sounds like paradise, right? Well, it's complicated. Alex drops between $20,000 to $40,000 every single month just on living expenses. That's more than most people's annual salary, gone in 30 days. So how does he afford that kind of lifestyle? Well, here's the part you've been waiting for. How does Alex actually make $1.6 million in a month? Plot twist, it's not dropshipping, crypto trading, or selling courses to desperate teenagers. It's actually affiliate marketing, but not the sketchy kind your cousin tried after watching one TikTok. Alex has been mastering this for almost a decade. Here's how it works. He creates killer video ads for other people's products, runs them on Facebook and YouTube, and gets paid fat commissions when people buy. The formula is beautifully simple. Commissions minus ad spend equals pure profit. But the execution? That's where the magic happens. This success story didn't start with a trust fund or daddy's connections. Alex was 15 when he made his first $2,000 a month. His secret? Facebook pages about Cristiano Ronaldo that he grew to millions of followers. Then he'd send that traffic to websites that paid him for clicks, sometimes $10 for every 1,000 people he sent over. Not exactly glamorous, but it was working. The real breakthrough came 8 months in. Alex took his first $10,000 in profit, invested half of it in a trip to Vegas, because why not? And while he was there, everything changed. A friend told him about a campaign that was about to explode. Alex jumped on it and started making thousands per day in profit. Then he met other companies at a conference who had better commission rates for the same products. One simple switch and boom, his first $10,000 profit in a single day at 16 years old. Alex's portfolio is diversified like crazy. We are talking real estate developments in Bali, crypto investments, stocks, and he just launched an educational program. Why the education business? Well, first, it's a great business idea, and second, it's a great way to help people at scale. That is a smart move. He's basically teaching others while building another income stream for himself. So what's the actual secret behind Alex's insane success? It's not some magical business model or secret Dubai connection. It's starting young, staying consistent, and treating business like a long-term game instead of a get-rich-quick lottery ticket. While most teenagers were worried about their Snapchat streaks, Alex was building million-follower Facebook pages and learning how to turn attention into cold hard cash. He mastered one skill, creating content that makes people take action, and then scaled it to the moon. The crazy part? He's just getting started. Real estate projects, crypto portfolios, educational programs. This dude is building an empire while most people his age are still figuring out their major. Alex proves something most people don't want to hear. You don't need to be born rich or have connections or get lucky to build serious wealth. You just need to start early, pick one thing, and get absolutely obsessed with mastering it. So here's my question for you. If a 15-year-old can start making $2,000 a month with nothing but Facebook pages and pure determination, what's stopping you from starting today? Because while you are watching this video, Alex is probably closing another 5-figure deal from his phone. So if you are serious and also want to know how to make $10,000 so fast that it feels illegal, then click this video on your screen. I'll see you there.